want to do you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, and you don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some viewers and subscribers. From what day, me keep quiet, my people. Me not say nothing pertaining to this story. And you know why me not say nothing, my people? Because me a wait. You see me? Me a wait to get more information pertaining to it. We talk about this thinking Jamaican boy people, because a Jamaican, you know, this dirty boy we all look on people. Correct name is Jevon Fletcher. This Jankro. You understand, people? This ugly, krypton, gremlin, dog people. I don't even know if we consider it. But this that one I look on, me people. Picture where I look on in a good times, in a bad times, after him do whatever him do, my people. Zine, you see how the boy did look? A hype boy, my people. Both the boy over Connecticut. Over 12 years the boy live in Connecticut for people. Him not just move to USA, you see me? The boy are 26-year-old. Him look at youth when him get with the girl is 2. The girl was 19, my people. The 2 of them gone, you know, because when you hear the story, people, the 2 of them gone. The boy and my people, him love things. You see me? Him love things. Him do work, you know. Him have a job. But him love things same way. Him love use woman and get things from a woman. You see me? Alright. Him now give the girl no attention, my people. It's a boy. Them have a local apartment. You see me? People live on the apartment complex. So sometimes he will go out, go with that woman, do this, do that. Come in, he will not come in for 2 days. You see me? Them always have local argument, my people. Him and the 19-year-old girl always have local argument where she will go back and forth, like take her youth and go to her parents and then forward back on them thing, them, my people. You see me? The boy now, people, the girl find out, say, the boy have a woman. You see me? A bigger woman. The woman a give him things. So the girl say, look here. You know, I'm going to mash up whatever you have with that woman, my people. Because in the end, you're not take care of me, you're not giving me no attention, this and that. We have a youth together, you need to do more. People, the dirty junker boy, as what them a say, a knife a boy using on my people. He put one in our head, one in our heart, and plus others over our body, my people. So he want her out. The local youth who is his son, if you look on the boy forehead and look on the local boy forehead, my people, I feel me. You see them favor, not true? Him finish the local boy too with the same object. Then the boy, because the apartment complex for them the people, you have different levels, them up on the 2nd floor. Him jump through a window, you know, because here what go on now. People in the apartment complex hear when the girl was crying out for help because the boy did a fight her off before. You see me? So she was bawling, she was crying. So people contact the police. When the police come, them found the girl and the little baby boy upon the ground, gone. When them check my people, them find the little dirty thinking Jevon Fletcher out a door because him jump from 2nd floor through the window and jump. You understand? Mash up him foot and his neck. He couldn't move. I just do that in the car. Run the boy a plan for runway, you know, my people. He plan for do this on runway. But as me I tell you, say, the neighbors, them people in outside of the doorway and something. You know what I mean? Because people that try beat on the door if come in, then could come in because him lock and bar the door off. And when him jump through the window now, a suck comes in, couldn't move, my people. People, look on the junker in good times. Look on picture. Zine? And me I say, ladies, me I telling you the truth, she was young, my people. She was 19. She have a 2-year-old youth. So basically she have a youth like when she was 17 or what. Very young. The boy damaged the little girl life, my people. Damage her life and take her life. This junker, yeah. Zine? And when I talk certain things, sometimes people say me harsh. People. That's why it's honestly sometimes when I say Trump at work and him a clean up. You know, same thing like them I need to clean up before them start. When I see them make a first move, my people, clean them up, get rid of them. You see it? This Jankra, my people, is an embarrassment to the nation of Jamaica and to our Jamaican people. You see? This Jankra only make Jamaica country and name look bad. A Jankra like this, my people, it's a 26. So basically, they have America friend, it's a local boy, my people. You see me, must a family take him and file for him or whatever over there. And the Jankra manage to go over them, my people. Would them a go pursue in career or say I'm a dancer, because the boys are dancer, you know, my people, keep all dance class and them thing there. See? And you tell me, say, him no man enough for know say him a there with a younger girl, my people. And him no man enough for whatever him a do, and whatever the girl find out, or whatever threat the girl do, send say she got damage and expose certain things to people. Him could have man enough for things say, you know what, whatever he did that do, him have a relationship. And whatever you understand, things can be, say things expose or how me I go cope with it. So for him response is, my people, to take out him own picking a life and the girl life. Eh? My viewers and my subscribers, this is what me I wish for him. Over Connecticut. Me I beg you, please have one cheer. Me even do no research to know if over there them have the cheer, because me know a lot of state not do the cheer thing. Them not do the rope whatever thing, electrician, they not do it, my people. Or rejection. Me I pray. This a sin thing and I deserve to live. It not deserve to live, my people. This a sin thing and I deserve to live. Them say them have it pan so you watching on my people. But me no want to get no so and do nothing. More want them finish it off. And more when them a finish it off, my people, them give him time span. So whatever them a use it a feed pan him. All our memories are come back. More want this girl haunt him up, people. More want the little boy him son haunt him up, haunt him up. Every time him close him yaya them in see my people. Every time, you know. A wicked Jankra, you know, my people. Look on this boy. Look on the picture them good no man. While video there. Look on the picture, people. You would have imagine this same thing. I mean, I want to get nobody talk about head chip. You see me? The boy, this boy is a wicked sin thing. Me tell us that the boy have dance class. He claim to want to be a gallus. He claim to want to find woman for use and get things. Because he love sweet. He love man too. A batty man too. Everything with him. You understand? A batty man too, because only batty man that killing one 19-year-old nice baby mother people. And he look a youth. A destruction, this a consumption, my people, a ransumption, boom. A nastiness, a straight attack for your Jankra. Anyway the Jankra, Jevon tell her a straight attack for you. Thinking Jankra, Jevon tell her, Tyler, Twiller, with your name. You sin thing, what you do? Same thing what you do, eh? You destroy the girl family. As me said before, you destroy the girl life. You destroy your future, your own. Your own, you know. Where you go there, you know, ugly sin thing, demonic sin thing, your own youth. Your own. You see? And people look good pan the sin thing, man. Eh? If you ever like them woodpecker bird, look pan the sin thing, man, for your ball plate bud. Eh? Look on the whole sin thing to no people. Look on the wicked Jankra, man. Eh? Here's an embarrassment to the nation of Jamaican people, bro. You, bro, too good for call a Jankra. Here's a shame. Here's a let down. See? People, them say all the while the boy try to fight off the girl. You understand? I want dirty boy all the while. Him try to fight her off. See? The girl show him love, my people. The girl show him honor. But the boy, as I tell her, say him love sweets. Him love sweets. Him love it from both ways. I tell her, say he's a swim around, he's a transmission, he's a shark. He's a nasty man. You understand me, people? He's a nasty man. And any family member him have. And if they want back him and talk about NEWLINK, don't attack him, Uno come down to all on get attacked to straight attack for Uno. Any friends them have, wanna back him a straight attack. People, this is sad. It's crueltiness, it's wickedness. This is sin thing and I deserve no chance to be among human, because this is not human. Alien even too good for call him, Jankra, dog, everything too good for call it. You understand? But I one thing John sleep. Me say, girl, I want your aunt him, your soul for aunt him. Look a baby boy, I want your aunt him. Aunt him. You can't sleep in peace. Aunt him in the morning, aunt him in the night, aunt him in the evening, aunt him right through. There's nothing we can do. I don't want it dead now. I don't want it dead now. I want it suffer. I say I want it suffer. My people. My viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, you know. More love, more blessings and more respect. And just follow me on all social media platforms, my people. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me, my people, you understand? Because over there's some real attacker job. And I got drop an attack on that thing over there. I got drop one over there. People, remember to do subscribe. You see me? So TikTok, NEWLINK Production, IG, NEWLINK Production, X, NEWLINK Production, Facebook page, NEWLINK Production, Attacking Boss. Support the movement, people. Thank you all for the love and for the support. One team, one dream, one scheme. Peace out. Blessings. Big up.